Ramadan, fasting, nutrition, and health tips. Foods to eat during Suhoor and Iftar. Hello, YouTube family. Today, we will talk about healthy eating and health tips during Ramadan fasting. Ramadan is a spiritual period for Muslims. Fasting, but abstaining from food for long hours can negatively affect the body. Here are some essential tips for fasting healthily during Ramadan. Suhoor is important. Having suhoor helps maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Opt for fiber-rich foods, proteins, and complex carbohydrates for a healthy suhoor. Hydration is key. It's crucial to drink enough water between suhoor and iftar to prevent dehydration. Drink water regularly after suhoor and iftar. Balanced iftar meal. Avoid overeating during iftar. Choose a balanced meal with proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Eating slowly and chewing thoroughly aids digestion and prevents digestive issues. Here are sample menus for suhoor and iftar. Suhoor menu. Main protein source: boiled eggs or low-fat cheese. Grains: whole wheat bread or oatmeal. Vegetables: raw vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers. Side: 1 glass of milk or yogurt. Beverage: plenty of water or herbal tea. Iftar menu. Soup: lentil soup or vegetable bulgur soup. Main course: grilled chicken or baked fish with a side of green salad. Appetizer: spinach pastry or vine leaves stuffed with rice. Dessert: semolina pudding or a fruit platter, watermelon, melon, strawberries. Beverage: buttermilk or lemonade. Light exercise. Light exercises during fasting accelerate digestion and boost energy levels. Avoid excessive exercise. Light activities after iftar. Avoid heavy exercises after iftar. Light activities like walking aid digestion. Stress and sleep. Avoid stress and ensure adequate sleep during fasting. Stress and lack of sleep can negatively affect your health. Considerations for the elderly. Elderly individuals should opt for easily digestible, light, and soft foods during iftar and suhoor. Avoid excessive salty, oily, and sugary foods. Pay attention to regular salt and fluid intake. Be mindful of consuming salty foods during iftar and suhoor. By following these tips, you can fast healthily during Ramadan and enjoy the spiritual experience to the fullest. Stay healthy. Remember, this content is for informational purposes only, and consulting a healthcare professional is essential to assess your personal health condition.